So DJI just released their first ever robot vacuum drone. A vacuum drone? Well, theoretically it is a drone, but most of us like to refer to it as a robot vacuum cleaner. Anyhow, it was quite a surprise when DJI dropped the announcement on this new product category. And here it is, the DJI ROMO P. Right away, you will notice its unique appearance with being transparent. And as a tech person, I really love this kind of approach, as this is something already done with devices like Nothing Phone, Beats headphones, keyboards, and even DJI's own mic too. And my Swiss Army knife right here is also transparent. But a robot vacuum cleaner, this is definitely the first. I know that some of you might think that vacuum cleaner with exposed internals wouldn't mix well together, but fear not, as this is actually a really clever design, exposing the internal components just enough to reveal only the pretty parts, making it look insanely futuristic without visible dust, dirt, or anything disturbing. So new out of the box, or after many cleaning sessions, this tech artwork will still look the same. It's that kind of Ferrari approach, with having a see-through glass over the engine bay, with a specially designed engine cover and clean-looking components, making you see what the designers wanted you to see. And while the design itself is really breathtaking for it alone to spark a conversation, the tech inside is even more impressive, as this vacuum cleaner has 25,000 pascals of suction power, which is currently one of the highest numbers seen in the market. And with DJI being a leader in the drone segment, they have also taken their best drone technology and fitted it into a robot vacuum cleaner, for it to navigate better and understand its surroundings. So on the front, we have an Aztec looking face unit which holds an array of sensors, featuring Dual Fisheye camera lens and 3 wide-angle Solid State LiDARs. This drone tech helps to achieve really precise obstacle detection and avoidance, sensing objects and wires as small as 2 mm, but in reality, it can even detect something as thin as a playing card on the ground, to easily avoid it. And there is also an LED floodlight to help those wide-angle cameras with visibility in the dark. Now on the bottom, you have 2 side sweepers, with one being extendable for better reach in the corners and around objects. Then there are also 2 changeable anti-tangle roller brushes for floors, carpets, and long hair pickup. And then there are the dual spinning mopping pads for wet cleaning. These mop pads are extra thick, providing better water retention when cleaning, as there is also a water tank built inside the robot. And just like with the side brushes, one of the mops extend for further reach. And for mop servicing, you just peel them off like with a Velcro and replace them with new ones. Here you also have the removable dust tray with an air filter, which you will probably never need to remove by hand, only when you need to wash the air filter, as everything else is handled by the docking station. And this is a really powerful one, handling all the cleaning, rinsing, emptying and refilling automatically, starting with the charging of course, since the robot itself has a built-in 5000 mAh battery. The dock will provide it with a 55 watt fast charging, filling it up from empty to full in around 2.5 hours. But charging is really just a basic functionality here, as it has a lot of fancy stuff inside, giving your vacuum cleaner a full-blown spa experience when it returns home. So for all the watery fun, you have to fill up the clean water tank. And on the other side, you also have the dirty water tank. So the clean water here is used for both refilling the vacuum cleaner as well as cleaning the mopping pads, with what DJI calls the first high-pressure water jet cleaning system. Meaning that even if your vacuum cleaner mops through the roughest dirt, the base station will be able to pressure clean the mopping pads with hot water of 60 degrees Celsius, suck in any residue with the dirty water, and then even dry out the mopping pads with hot air, which usually takes a couple of hours. The drying also applies to the disposable dust bag, in case wet dirt gets sucked in during wet cleaning. Plus in the background, there is also a UV disinfection taking place, which is pretty crazy with all the little things and additions there. And on the ROMO P, next to the dust bag, you also have the special sauce, which is the cleaning liquid and floor deodorizer. And here even the containers have special design stickers to blend in with that transparent aesthetic. Now here I have to mention that the ROMO P is the most complete model with all the features, whereas ROMO A and ROMO S will lack the floor deodorizer and UV dust bag disinfection. But alright, now let's get to exploring all the features, cleaning performance and intelligence. Here you will have to use the new DJI Home app to control ROMO and adjust its settings, and the intelligent cleaning is where this thing really shines with all its sensors. The millimeter obstacle avoidance is real, as I can fully trust it to navigate and clean a space full of different objects and cables. Like, look at it, a single Lego brick, toys, and even a playing card, all recognized and avoided with extreme precision. And what was even more impressive was its way to this setup, as it managed to perfectly avoid the legs of our filming gear running circles around them. And in the app, you can actually configure the obstacle avoidance level, where I pretty much found the standard working the best, with it being the most balanced. And if you want to track those misplaced objects, or even maybe lost items, then you can set the ROMO to capture photos of these objects, which can then be viewed in the cleaning report afterwards. Pretty impressive. What's more, it not only detects different objects but also spilled liquids, so during a dry vacuuming session you can set to avoid them to prevent them from smearing or entering the dust box. Or the contrary, let the ROMO automatically lift the brushes and eliminate liquids with that powerful mopping system. But there is this one feature that I personally found really useful for vacuuming, that is boosted particulate cleaning, since misplaced cat litter around the bathroom area is a common occurrence in my flat. So with this enabled, ROMO detects the particulates on the floor, slowing down its brushes to prevent scattering all over the place, while at the same time increasing the suction power to the max, making cat litter no longer a problem. Now there is also detection for carpets, which may usually require a different approach, but the only small mats we had were the hallway floor mat and a bamboo mat by the shower. Nevertheless, both got recognized and displayed in the map, from where you can manually configure how the ROMO handles each detected carpet individually. And even with DJI being a newcomer in the home appliances and vacuum cleaner space, the DJI Home app is already loaded with all the features you'll need. The ROMO scans and provides you with really accurate room maps, which you can then edit, adjust borders, no-go zones, launch customized cleaning by rooms and select areas, and so on. And there is even a video call feature with which you can have a two-way communication with another household member through a vacuum cleaner.
You're watching Armadillo Tech, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
Or maybe a pet when you're not at home. And in this video call mode, you can also manually control the drone. I mean vacuum cleaner, but it really feels like that since you get that live camera feed and controls. But I just wish that obstacle avoidance would be enabled here as well, since it's kind of harder to understand the actual distance between the surrounding objects through the camera. And as with all my smart home devices, I'm also looking forward to the possibility to integrate this into my home assistant. But the overall cleaning performance on this thing is amazing, as with that 25,000 Pascal suction power, it will handle nearly any kind of dirt around your house. No matter if it's dust, hair, cat litter or food, it will all get sucked in. And as for the spilled liquids, dried out stains and greasy floors, the rotational mopping system will handle the rest, as even cleaning the messiest substances won't be a problem, thanks to that powerful jet cleaning system inside the base station, leaving the mops fresh and clean without any additional maintenance. And this is what I really love about the DJI ROMO P. You barely have to do anything to keep it running. The only things I had to do was adding the fresh water to the tank and pouring out the dirty one. And maybe I will soon need to change the disposable dust bag as well. But that's it, no manual cleaning in the near future, as DJI promises up to 200 days of maintenance-free usage, which sounds quite strong. And this is the way it should be, as robot vacuum cleaners are meant to handle things autonomously, requiring minimum to no user interaction. And I'm happy to say that I can fully trust this one to run unattended, without the fear of it ingesting something or getting stuck at tricky places. As with my previous budget vacuum cleaner, I constantly had to run around and save it from getting tangled into wires or eating up a sock somewhere under the bed. But of course it's hard to compare it to a budget vacuum cleaner, since the DJI ROMO P or ROMO Professional is a top-tier offering priced at $18.99, which also takes it to the very top of premium segment. But in this lineup, there are also lower-priced ROMO A and ROMO S models. And I can surely say that during the time of testing and shooting the ROMO P, my flat was probably in the cleanest state it has ever been. So for this price, you really get complete automation, with the ROMO being a helpful sidekick rather than another appliance to maintain. And this is the future now. A drone literally taking the cleaning away from you, so you can focus on other stuff, like subscribing to the channel and checking out my other videos. Stay armored with tech, and see you in the next video.